Want to browse Viber without everyone knowing you're online or when you were last active? Learn how to hide your online status and last seen timestamp to enhance your privacy. Viber provides a privacy setting that allows you to hide your online status and your last seen timestamp from contacts. This means they won't see if you're currently active on the app or the exact time you were last using it. So, from the app, first tap on More by the bottom right corner. Then, tap on Settings. Under Settings, look for the Privacy tab. The second option there should be one labeled Share Online Status. This option will be turned on by default. Tap on the corresponding tick mark to disable this option. You can also disable the Seen status for added privacy. Do note that you can only change sharing your online status every 24 hours. But that's more or less it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!